Welcome back to Research Fundamentals at UB, Part 4, Finding Funding. In this video, we will talk about a few ways to find funding opportunities. There are thousands of active opportunities at any given time, and there are tools available to PIs to help them find solicitations that are right for them. The most comprehensive tool for finding research funding opportunities is the Sponsored Programs Information Network, or SPIN. SPIN is a database containing over 40,000 funding opportunities from more than 10,000 federal, public, nonprofit, and private sponsors. Registered users can find funding announcements from major sponsors like NIH and NSF, as well as from smaller and more niche sponsors and foundations. Through SPIN, users can set up and save search preferences, sign up for email notifications, and organize and export lists of funding searches and opportunities. It is free for all UB faculty and students to use. You just need to register using your UB email address. There are also many opportunities for internal funding for UB faculty that are supported through the UB Office of Research and Economic Development. These opportunities include Buffalo Blue Sky, a program that offers seed funding for innovative team science. The UB Small Business Innovation Award Program offers entrepreneurs federal funding for research, development, and commercialization of innovative technologies. More information on these programs can be found by clicking the links in this slide. The Research and Economic Grant Resubmission Awards Program is a pilot project offering support to UB faculty for improving on already highly rated proposals that were previously not chosen for funding by an outside sponsor but are considered for resubmission. Its goal is to fund activities that would make a difference in the competitiveness of the resubmitted proposal. More information can be found in the link on this slide. UB's Corporate and Foundation Relations Office also offers funding opportunities for UB faculty. If you are interested, you can contact their office at the phone number seen here. UB and the Office of Research Advancement place special emphasis on working with early career faculty in their pursuit of funding from sponsors at federal levels, such as NSF, NIH, and DoD, as well as state funding and non-federal fellowships and foundation funding. In recent years, UB faculty have been very successful in these early career awards, particularly the NSF Career Award. These awards are often a springboard to success for awardees. The Office of Research Advancement offers special assistance for these early career faculty. If you are interested, please contact ubgrants@buffalo.edu. Thank you for joining us. Please join us for Research Fundamentals Part 5, Research Systems and Research Compliance.